Welcome to Fresh Season Media, where we explore growth, renewal, and the quiet power of new beginnings. Today, we're focusing on the transformative power of rest. In our busy world, rest is often seen as a pause from productivity. But true rest is far more than that. It is a sacred rhythm, essential for growth, clarity, and renewal. When we take time to pause, we sharpen our tools, hone our focus, and prepare our dreams for the seasons ahead. As Wayne Muller writes in Sabbath, finding rest, renewal, and delight in our busy lives, Sabbath honors the necessary wisdom of dormancy. If certain plant species do not lie dormant for winter, they will not bear fruit in the spring. Without rest, energy diminishes and life force begins to erode. Just like the natural world, we too need periods of stillness. Dormancy allows our strength, clarity, and creativity to coalesce. In these moments, we sharpen our inner tools, our mind, body, and spirit, so we can face life with renewed energy and purpose. Rest is not a luxury, it is preparation. A sacred time to recharge our tools, refine our skills, and nurture our dreams before stepping into the next season today. Give yourself permission to rest. Step away from the noise, your work, and the busyness of daily life. Let stillness enter and allow your inner tools and dreams to be honed. Take breaks, even small ones, from your tasks, routines, and screens. These moments of pause recharge your energy, sharpen your focus, and prepare you to bloom fully, to live more intentionally, creatively, and joyfully. Subscribe to Fresh Season Media for more reflections on growth, rest, and living fully. Remember, rest is not a pause from life. It is the sharpening of life itself. Thank you for watching.